With its supercharged V8, track-tuned suspension, and razor-sharp appearance, this 2007 Shelby GT500 is a perfect example of an automotive partnership that is a match made in heaven. Complementing black with tasteful tungsten stripes, the spotless Mustang has spent the majority of its life parked in dry storage. Thanks to that shelter and a noted aversion to inclement weather, the car has maintained factory-fresh aesthetics that would be right at home in a dealer's showroom. And according to Carfax, those aesthetics are 100% straight, with no history of accidents or damage of any kind. Inside, two-tone Cobra-branded seats, which feature standard power adjustment for the car's driver, ride opposite a monochromatic leather-wrapped steering wheel that's adorned with convenient thumb buttons. The dash is a familiar Mustang layout that frames sweeping gauges next to a glowing Carroll Shelby signature. And an optional Shaker 1000 stereo leads an impressive console that's fashioned around a short shifter. Take a look under the hood and you'll find a supercharged mod motor that was heavily influenced by Ford's own GT supercar. That boosted motor sends power through a Tremec 6-speed back to a limited slip differential. Even without its rarity factor, this red-hot Shelby would satisfy virtually any performance enthusiast. With plenty of power and nearly universal appeal, it's hard to think of a more desirable modern pony car. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.